Mary did the will of God perfectly, and when he spoke to her, she was prompt to obey. As we stand on the threshold of celebrating Christ coming among us, we pray, Lord,